Hey, what's up? This is Triton47, and I'm going on a little walk. Let's have a little walk, shall we? It's Charlie, and he's got something to say. Charlie, what's special about this video?
It's the 100th video. Woo!
Yes, it's our 100th video, and it's quite good 100th video, isn't it? We've done gameplays with Charlie shooting people. Yes. We've done a bit of Nerf. We're going to be doing Nazi zombie gameplay, just like multiplayer. Yeah, and we're in association with the Associates Club. So if you guys want to post, or if you want to go and see his channel, I'm probably going to put an annotation now. Yeah. Anyway, so that's basically it. Thanks everyone for watching our videos. We've almost made like 2,700 views. It's not the best. We've got 18 subscribers. The reason why we haven't got many subscribers is that not many people know about our channel, is it? Isn't that right, Charlie?
Yeah.
Okay.
So tell your friends.
Yes. So thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.